I have multiple streams of income that flow to me effortlessly. I am constantly creating new sources of wealth. Money comes to me from expected and unexpected places. I have numerous sources of income that support my abundant lifestyle. Residual income flows to me continuously and effortlessly. I am financially free because I have many income streams. I receive income from multiple sources, including my job, investments, and business ventures. My investments generate consistent returns, providing me with effortless wealth. Dividends from my stocks flow to me regularly, increasing my financial abundance. Rental properties bring me a steady stream of passive income. Interest payments from my savings and investments continuously grow my wealth. My business profits expand every month, creating unlimited financial opportunities. I experience constant gains in my assets, increasing my net worth. Money from multiple sources, salary, commissions, and side businesses flows easily to me. My real estate investments generate consistent and growing rental income. I receive royalties and residual income effortlessly, supporting my abundant lifestyle. Every day, I attract new profitable ventures that boost my financial success. My stocks and investments appreciate in value, adding to my financial freedom. I enjoy multiple sources of wealth, including business ownership and investment income. I have an endless flow of income from different industries and markets. Dividends from my stocks and mutual funds provide me with effortless cash flow. My assets appreciate in value, increasing my wealth without effort. I continuously expand my financial portfolio with new opportunities. My businesses run smoothly and generate profits even while I sleep. I receive unexpected bonuses, commissions, and financial gifts regularly. My multiple streams of income make me financially secure and free. I attract endless opportunities to create wealth. My income increases daily from multiple reliable sources. I am a magnet for passive income and financial abundance. My bank accounts grow consistently from various revenue streams. Wealth flows to me in unlimited ways. I am open to receiving money from multiple channels. My life is filled with prosperity from diverse income streams. I effortlessly attract new ways to earn money. My financial success is inevitable and ever-expanding. I am aligned with the energy of unlimited wealth. Abundance flows to me from all directions. I receive large sums of money through multiple avenues. Every day my income grows in new and exciting ways. I am always connected to fresh opportunities for financial expansion. Passive income supports my dreams and desires. Money-making ideas come to me easily and abundantly. I enjoy the freedom that multiple streams of income provide. My wealth is constantly growing from different revenue sources. I am financially secure because I have multiple sources of income. I always attract profitable and abundant ventures. My finances are limitless, and new money flows to me effortlessly. I earn money while I sleep, travel, and relax. Residual income provides me with stability and prosperity. I am skilled at multiplying my wealth effortlessly. I attract profitable investments and opportunities with ease. I am always in the right place at the right time for financial success. I trust that money is always flowing to me in new ways. The universe constantly provides me with fresh income opportunities. I allow myself to receive unlimited streams of money. My financial portfolio is diverse and constantly expanding. I am grateful for the many ways money comes into my life. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly from multiple channels. I am a powerful creator of wealth and prosperity. My financial future is secure because of my diverse income streams. I am always receiving unexpected financial blessings. I thrive financially because I have unlimited sources of income. Every day, new and exciting income opportunities come my way. I am financially unstoppable with multiple revenue streams. Money loves me and flows to me from all directions. My income is constantly growing, and I am thriving. I make wise financial decisions that increase my earnings. I am always attracting new ways to generate residual income. I am grateful for the financial abundance that flows effortlessly into my life. I absolutely love how my passive income flows to me effortlessly. I enjoy watching my wealth grow from multiple passive income streams. I feel deep gratitude for the freedom my diversified income sources provide. I love knowing that money comes to me even when I relax and enjoy life. Building multiple income sources is fun, easy, and incredibly rewarding.